Action News, Delaware Valley's leading news program, with Jim Gardner.
A ruling today in Chicago could be the first step in changing the landscape of college athletics, or it could be a decision that'll be ultimately overturned. Are college athletes students or employees? Action News reporter Chad Pradelli is live in the SAT Center. Chad, this case obviously has far-reaching implications.
Yes, Jim. Talking with labor attorneys, they call this decision a groundbreaking one, but the final decision and the ripple effect will likely be played out in the courts. The regional National Labor Relations Board official ruled Northwestern University football players were essentially paid employees and entitled to union election.
It's a groundbreaking decision by the National Labor Relations Board.
Nan Lassen is a labor attorney and professor at Drexel University. She says the board determined the university directly controls the lives of student athletes through practices, workouts, and standards of conduct, and then compensates them.
The employer is holding a string on them consisting of a pay equivalent, and the pay equivalent in this case is a scholarship.
If the players decide to unionize, they would be able to collectively bargain for health insurance, disability, long-term care, accommodations, and yes, pay.
I think that this is a brave new frontier for collegiate athletics.
The full NLRB will have to rule on the decision, and then the issue will likely be decided in the courts. Lassen says it only potentially impacts private institutions like Drexel, Villanova, and St. Joe's. Players from public universities like Penn State and Temple would have to get their own ruling from state labor relation boards. Karen Weaver is a professor of sports management at Drexel.
If players from public universities elect to go to each of their state labor relations boards, then you could have Pennsylvania behaving one way and New York behaving another way. And that's where it really gets tricky.
And we reached out to the administrations at Villanova, Temple, St. Joe's, and Drexel. None had comment at this time. I'm live in the Satellite Center. Chad Pradelli, Channel 6 Action News.